Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real-life stories. I'm Peter.
Hello, Peter, and hello to all our lovely listeners. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Absolutely. We love spending time with you. How are you today, Lily?
I'm feeling great. I had a very peaceful morning, a good breakfast, a good stretch, and I'm ready to chat.
That sounds amazing. I wish my morning was like that.
Oh, was your morning complicated?
Complicated is a polite word. I would call it chaotic.
Oh dear, what happened? Tell us everything.
Okay. But before that, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes. If you enjoy our episodes, please subscribe to Mr. Peter channel.
And click the like button. It helps us more than you know.
And share this episode with a friend who wants to improve their English.
Thank you so much. And now, my chaotic morning.
I'm ready. Take a deep breath and tell the story.
So, it started normally. I woke up early, opened the window, and thought, wow, today will be a perfect day.
Oh no. Whenever someone says, perfect day, at the beginning, something bad is coming.
You're right. So, I prepared breakfast. Toast, eggs, and a big glass of orange juice.
Sounds nice so far.
Yes, but when I carried everything to my table, my elbow hit the glass.
No!
Yes. The orange juice flew like a fountain and landed all over my laptop.
Your laptop?
My laptop. My precious laptop.
Oh no. That's worse than spilling coffee on a white shirt.
Trust me, it was tragic. The laptop made a sound like zzz, 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 and then turned black.
That is the sound of death.
Exactly. I stood there, holding my toast like a statue made of regret.
So what did you do?
I panicked, of course. I grabbed a towel, wiped everything fast, and prayed to the technology gods.
Did your prayers work?
Not yet. The laptop is still resting. Maybe forever.
Oh, Peter, that is a terrible morning already.
Wait, there's more.
There's more?
Yes. After the laptop disaster, I ran to catch the bus because I was late.
And let me guess, the bus arrived early today.
No, worse. I reached the bus stop and the driver drove right past me.
Why?
Because I waved, but the driver thought I was saying hello, not, please stop.
Oh, Peter, that is painful.
I stood there, alone, talking to the wind. No, bus, come back.
So you had to wait for the next one.
Yes, and it took 15 minutes.
Oh, no.
But when I finally got on the next bus, I realized something.
What?
I was wearing 2 different shoes.
2 different shoes?
Yes, 1 blue sneaker and 1 black sneaker.
Peter, how did you not see that when you left home?
Lily, I lost my laptop. My brain was not working.
Fair enough.
And people on the bus definitely noticed.
Did they stare?
A little boy pointed at my feet and asked his mother, Mom, is this a new fashion?
Oh, no.
I wanted to disappear.
Honestly, it is kind of cute. Embarrassing, but cute.
I'm glad you think so. I didn't feel cute.
So what happened when you arrived at work?
When I entered the office, my colleagues looked at my shoes, then at me, then at my face.
Oh, dear.
One coworker said, Wow, Peter, bold style today.
That is such a coworker thing to say.
But wait, the story gets worse.
There is more? Peter, how long was your morning?
It felt like 10 years.
Okay, tell me. I'm ready.
We had an important meeting at 9 a.m. When I sat down, my boss said, "Peter, can you show the project file on your laptop?"
No.
Yes,
But your laptop was broken.
exactly.
What did you say?
I said, I would love to, but my laptop had a juice-related accident.
Juice-related accident.
My boss blinked slowly, very slowly.
That is the blink of disappointment.
He said, "Peter, are you okay?"
I mean, it's a fair question.
I told him everything. The juice, the bus, the shoes.
Did he laugh?
He tried not to, but yes, he laughed. Everyone laughed.
Well, at least they weren't angry.
Yes, thank goodness.
Peter, your morning was a movie, a comedy movie.
A tragedy comedy.
True. But I think everyone has days like that.
Really? Have you had a crazy morning like mine?
Oh yes, many times. Actually, I had one last month.
Okay, now I want to hear it.
I promise, it is just as ridiculous as yours.
Perfect. We love ridiculous stories.
So, Lily, you said you had a ridiculous morning, too. What happened?
Oh, Peter, it was unforgettable, and not in a good way.
I'm ready. I have popcorn.
All right, so last month, I woke up late. Very late.
Uh-oh. That's already dangerous.
Yes. I had a meeting at 9, and I opened my eyes at 8:35.
That is impressive.
I panicked. I jumped out of bed. I brushed my teeth in 20 seconds.
Amazing speed. Olympic-level brushing.
Then I threw on some clothes, grabbed my bag, and ran out of the apartment.
So far, not too bad.
Well, I thought so too until I reached the elevator.
Something happened in the elevator?
Yes. When the doors opened, there was a neighbor inside, holding a giant cactus.
Cactus?
A giant cactus, taller than me.
Why was he carrying a cactus in the elevator at 8:30 in the morning?
I have no idea. Maybe it was a gift. Maybe he was moving. Maybe he just likes dangerous plants.
Okay, then what?
I stepped in, trying to squeeze into a small space next to the cactus without becoming a human pincushion.
That sounds stressful.
Oh, it gets worse. The elevator suddenly stopped between two floors.
No way.
Yes,
Trapped with a cactus.
exactly.
That is my nightmare.
The neighbor pressed the emergency button. I tried to stay calm, but the cactus kept moving a little every time the elevator shook.
So you had to dodge cactus spikes while waiting to be rescued.
Yes, every time it moved, I whispered, "Please don't touch me," like I was negotiating with the cactus.
Negotiating with a cactus.
We were stuck for 15 minutes, but it felt like an hour.
Ouch, literally.
When the elevator finally opened, I ran out like I was escaping prison.
Did you make it to your meeting?
I did, but I was sweaty, stressed, and my hair was a mess.
And did you tell your coworkers the cactus story?
I did. They laughed so hard, one person almost fell off her chair.
That is a good story. Very good.
And that's not even the worst part of the week.
There's more? Lily, what is happening in your life?
Okay, another funny moment. This time at the supermarket.
Ah, my favorite location for chaos.
I went to buy some snacks. I found a big pack of chips on sale, so I picked it up.
Good choice.
But I didn't notice a tiny hole in the bag.
A hole?
Yes, and every step I took, little crumbs of chips fell out, like Hansel and Gretel leaving a trail.
You left a chip trail in the supermarket?
Yes! I walked around for maybe 5 minutes, leaving a crunchy yellow path behind me.
Did someone tell you?
a teenager tapped me on the shoulder and said, excuse me, your chips are escaping.
I would die on the spot.
I looked behind me and saw a golden road of potato pieces.
Like the yellow brick road from The Wizard of Oz?
Exactly. I was too embarrassed, so I spent the next 10 minutes sweeping chips into my hands like a guilty squirrel.
That is adorable and tragic at the same time.
Thank you, Peter. I try my best.
You know, Lily, listening to your stories makes me feel better about my mornings.
And your stories make me feel better about mine.
Maybe that's the secret of life. Laugh at your disasters.
Yes, and learn English while we laugh.
Exactly.
Speaking of learning, listeners, we want to hear your funny stories too.
Yes! Tell us, what embarrassing or silly thing happened to you recently?
Write it in English in the comments.
It's a great way to practice, and we will read them.
And laugh with you, not at you.
Yes, with love and understanding.
By the way, Peter, did your laptop survive the orange juice attack?
Not yet. It is still drying.
Maybe put it in rice.
I tried.
Did it work?
No. Now I just have a laptop full of rice.
Oh no.
Technology hates me.
Maybe next time, don't drink juice near your computer.
I have learned my lesson.
Good. And next time I see a cactus, I will take the stairs.
Very wise.
Life teaches us one mistake at a time.
Very true.
Well, we're coming to the end of today's episode.
Time flies when your life is full of disasters.
And good stories.
Yes, and good stories.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Please remember to subscribe to Mr. Peter channel
And like this episode if you enjoyed laughing with us.
and share it with a friend who needs a smile.
We hope your week is wonderful
Peaceful.
and free of cactus elevators.
Or orange juice laptops.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye.